Hey students, so in case everything lags out, I've made this handy little video for you to explain your assignment. You're going to open the chapter 11.3, the War with Mexico assignment. It's due on Friday and it closes 1 week from today, 10 points possible. Make sure you're following directions and I'll have some ways to prompt you guys in class for stuff as well. Make sure you're doing that. Okay, so for the beginning, as always, make sure you're reading today's goals and you're looking at your criteria for success. And it says directions for each question. Read the text above to locate your answer. There are also questions that will be asked during class, so you need to pay attention in chat or out loud. For your first question, this is actually from the end of our Nearpod. We didn't get to it. We're going to read about Texas becoming a United States state, and then you'll read the text above and follow the link in chat. So there's two ways to do it. You can either right-click and hit open link, or you can hit control and then click, as it says right there, control click to follow the link. If you're in third period, there's your link. Fifth period, there's your link. Next, we're going to talk about California's Spanish culture. So we'll do a little bit of Spanish and Mexican history involving California. And your first race question here is, why did the Americans want to acquire California? Make sure you're following all the steps. Rather think about, why did the Americans want California? So why did Americans want this place? Make sure you're not explaining why Mexicans or Spanish people wanted this place, but why did the Americans specifically? Next, you're going to look at a map. You're going to look at this. You can see the United States in green here, and then purple is Mexico, and there's this area between them that says disputed territory. You're going to explain to me what you think that is. Then conflict begins. What did the United States and Mexico disagree about? One sentence in your own words. So using the text to explain what their disagreement was. Next, two more paragraphs, and you're going to say, you're explaining to me, why did Mexican troops attack General Taylor's forces? So what was the reason Mexican troops attacked the American army under General Taylor? Another race question. Part 3, the Mexican-American War. So the war actually starts, and you have quite a few paragraphs here basically summarizing the whole war, and you're going to explain, how did President Polk's plan to win the war succeed? Once again, I got to change that. Once again, a race question. Part 4, aftermath. How did the peace terms of the war impact the United States? So how did the peace terms change the United States? And then making connections today. How did the lives of Mexican Americans change the United States? Sorry. The self-assessment part. This is really important. Make sure you're reading this. I've given the answers actually to all the questions, but I don't want you to copy my answers. If you do that, you're going to receive a 0 on the assignment, as it says right there. Basically, you're going to grade and compare yourself to the correct answers I've given. So there you go. If you have further questions, shoot me a message.